Cause you probably can show me that right now and you'd be like that. Probably.
Yeah, you a fucking hater. You a hater, bro. Go back and report that you're a fucking legion. I have press conferences just to piss the fucking haters off. And I invite you, bro. I want to talk to these goddamn haters, these presidents of the fucking hate me club. And every time we there, I'm pointing to you, Brown. You. Just showing you. Look at that. Look at that. Go back and tell your peoples. Fucking hater. Brown, you a hater, baby. I see you. I see it in you.
How can you tell I'm a hater?
The way you breathe air, Brown. The way you fucking breathe air, I can tell you a hater.
Oh God.
I don't understand.
Bro, I don't need nobody to tell me. Shit, I'm a grown fucking man. I done been around people. I can tell some things. Just by looking at the way you breathe air, I can tell you a fucking hater. You a born goddamn hater.
You said you was born that way.
Born to hate.
What if I don't want to do it, boy? What
You can't fucking fight it. I'm trying to do some shit like that, saying that. You might as well say, I don't want to be black. Shit, you a hater, baby. You a fucking hater. It's okay, bro, when you learn that brace, you don't get far in life.
I'm working for it.
I know you are.
I'm not trying to be a hater. I really don't hate on nobody.
Brown, you fucking hate on everybody.
You do, man. You be hating on me, man.
I can tell, no, Brown. I can just tell, but the look in your eyes tell me you are the fucking president of the fucking local hater chapter.
Look, St. Mary's, Georgia.
I don't want to be a hater on nobody.
I understand you don't want to be, but you can't stop it. It's like, why do I sleep at night hating on these people? You go to bed dreaming about hating on somebody. I'm gonna hate on that person. I'm gonna hate on that person. You know what I mean? Let me go back and poke that person on Facebook. Fucking hater, baby. It's okay. I understand.
I got my own stuff, but I don't have time to hate on people.
No, baby, you got all the time. That's like your whole fucking life. And the reason why you hate more on other people, because you said you try to get your little things together. You try to get your little game together, baby. But then then you start to get your little shit together and you realize, damn, this is some nasty fucking shit.
That's true.
That's true. I can tell, bro. And you look over at this cat, and that cat be like, man, that cat got it going on. You know what? My shit nasty. So hate on him.
We cut it at